Hey Wiz, pause right there. What you're about to see is not inspiration, it's not theory, and it's definitely not guesswork. Every visual on your screen right now was created automatically. No animation skills, no editing team, no paid software.
These videos were produced in bulk with one click using completely free AI tools. If you're serious about growing a YouTube channel in 2026, this might be one of the most important videos you'll watch this year. Before we start, tap the like button so you can easily come back to this, and subscribe, because I share systems like this before they become overcrowded. Now, let me prove this works. This channel you're looking at, Ghibli Days, only 17 uploads, launched just 5 months ago, already has 76.5 thousand subscribers. That's not luck. That's not random virality. That's YouTube rewarding creators who understand scale. Every video here can be recreated automatically. The same quality, the same visual identity, the same characters, without spending a single dollar. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact one-click system, the free AI tools, and the workflow that allows you to create flawless AI videos at scale. Make sure you watch till the end. I have something important to show you during the editing stage. Step 1. Script creation, the foundation. Everything starts with the script. The script controls the visuals, the pacing, the emotional flow. That's why it's the most important step. For this workflow, I use Gemini. You don't need to know how to write stories. I've already created a master prompt that does the thinking for you. With a single prompt, Gemini generates a complete storyline, narrator script, scene-by-scene descriptions, detailed image prompts, all in a consistent Ghibli-style format. I'll leave this master prompt in the comments. Make sure you save it. Step 2. Bulk image generation, automation. Normally, we copy image prompts one by one and generate images manually, a process that can take hours and becomes tiring very quickly. But now, the game has completely changed. With the method I'm about to show you, you can copy all your prompts at once, and the AI will automatically generate every image for you. Before we do that, we first need to separate the image prompts from the story script. I give Gemini a simple instruction, and it instantly extracts all image prompts into a clean list, ready for automation. Now I copy everything and move to Auto Whisk AI, a free Chrome extension. Go to your browser and search Auto Whisk AI. Click the first link. Add it to Chrome, then click Add Extension. Just like that, Auto Whisk is added to your browser. Switch the language to English. Select version 7.5.1 DOM. Click Go to Whisk and log in. Paste all image prompts, click Start. When prompted, choose Create a new project. At this point, Auto Whisk begins generating images scene by scene, automatically saving them to a folder. However, you'll notice something important. The characters are not fully consistent, and this can break the story illusion. So let's fix that. Step 3. Character consistency. Very important. To maintain consistency, we first generate the characters themselves. I return to Gemini and copy the first character's description. I paste it into Whisk and generate the character image. Next, I drag that image into the subject section as a reference image and allow Whisk to analyze it. I repeat the same process for the second character. This step teaches the AI exactly who the characters are, ensuring they remain consistent across all scenes. Now, I click Run on this project again. This time, every single scene maintains the same faces, the same proportions, the same visual identity. All images are generated perfectly and saved automatically. Now, let's bring these images to life. Step 4. Image to video animation. To animate the images correctly, we need scene-specific video prompts. So I asked Gemini to generate motion prompts for each scene. As you can see, Gemini creates a video prompt for every scene. Next, open a new tab and search for Grok AI. After logging in, click Imagine. Upload the image. Paste the scene's motion prompt. Click Generate. Within seconds, the video is ready. Let's play it. The result is smooth, cinematic animation. Finally, click the download button and the video is saved to your device. Alternative tool, Meta AI. Our next image-to-video tool is Meta AI. Go to Meta AI and click the first link. Click Create, then change the option to Image to Video. Upload the image, paste the video prompt, click Animate. High-quality motion.
No watermark, instant download. Repeat this process for every scene. Step 5. Adding a realistic voice. Now we turn the story into a fully narrated experience. I copy the narration text from Gemini and open Google AI Studio. Choose Single Speaker. Select a voice that fits the tone. Paste the narration. Click Generate.
A snowy day, an unexpected knock. A snowy day, an unexpected knock.
And download the audio. Another excellent option is 11 Labs, which gives you 10,000 free credits every month. Choose a voice, paste narration, generate.
A snowy day, an unexpected knock.
Download. Repeat this for all scenes. Step 6. Final editing. CapCut. Open CapCut, import all video clips, all narration audio. Place each video on the timeline. Add the matching narration underneath. As you can see, the visual is longer than the audio, so adjust the video speed until both align perfectly. Now the visuals and audio are fully synchronized. Repeat this process for all scenes. To save time, I'll fast forward this step. Add smooth transitions. Now your AI video is complete, cinematic, consistent, and ready to upload. Let's play the final result.
A snowy day, an unexpected knock, a delivery, a shared moment, a warm invitation extended, coffee shared, connection begins, laughter fills the air, friendship blossoms, shared smiles.
Oh, Nick, look at the flowers.
They're beautiful. Should we get some?
Seasons pass, friendships deepen, deep conversations, growing bond, first touch, love ignited, a quiet moment, love confirmed, kneeling, a lifetime promise, forever together, a new chapter.
If this workflow helped you, like this video. It tells the algorithm this content matters. If you want more AI systems like this, subscribe and comment Bulk AI below.